foot. Well, near it. And one thing, what we still need to do, once we increase the length of the exhaust, is painting it. Also, the side exhaust I really want to paint, so it's definitely gonna happen. It's definitely something I want to do. All right, let's open this complete thing up and let's see what we can dig up. But first of all, let's open up the hood. Yeah. No, it's not opening. Now it is. There we go. There you guys see my header. And the pipe is already a little bit more down, as you guys can see. That's the pipe where I was talking about. Now, as you guys can see already, it's a bit down there. Not completely, but enough to cause leaks. So, yeah. It's not what we want to, huh? Oh, what's going on here? So, let's open everything up. Sorry for this bad fishing, guys, but I don't have another choice to do it. And this one is leaking as well a bit, I see, which we are definitely going to modify today as well by smacking it backwards. Oh man. So here, this is actually, yes, indeed, my muffler. Not looking that shiny, but yeah. Oh. And my battery jumps right now, just like we began, on 5%. Nice. So I'm gonna give you guys a short explanation. Now, the exhaust, which is over here, has to be on this point where my finger is pointing in this location. So there's where the side exhaust is coming. But in order to get there, we have to increase the length. So a half meter sideways, a half meter forward, a half meter sideways. Everything that's too much, we can saw off. Then the thing is complete. But first of all, that's what I need to fix today. So that's number one. Number two is definitely smacking on here, smacking on there. Yeah. First of all, we're gonna smack on this thing over here. Its color is already changing. Let's see. Now. 4% battery left. Now that will definitely do it. Because by smacking one thing, the rest is going with it. And the last. I don't need a rubber mallet for this, not needed. It's unnecessary. All right. Okay,